You know, that's a very interesting recommendation, Ankit. By interesting, of course, I mean it's a boring recommendation. The one thing that I recommend you buy is get yourself a Bipasha Basu.
Suresh, we're talking about gadgets
Yes, Bipasha Basu is available in gadget form now.
Okay.
She's just launched her DVD called Love Yourself.
Ah, the workout DVD.
It's a workout DVD. Now, even if you don't love yourself, you can still buy the DVD because you'll end up loving Bipasha Basu.
But for now, what you should do is pay attention to the Gadget Lab, because these might just be the 3 brand new shiny, blingy, geeky gadgets that you can own.
With music covered, on to the next way to get into your girls' good books. Movies. Women love movies and everything that comes with it. The comfy sofa, some popcorn, the whole deal. If you didn't do all of the above last weekend, well, time to make up, because the next product gives you your space and her the entertainment. Launched earlier this year at CES, the Iomega Screenplay director has hit shelves finally and is all set to bring full HD playback right in your living room. What sets the Iomega apart from other media players in the market is that it comes with a whopping 1TB inbuilt storage and a host of TV connectivity options including HDMI. The Iomega also boasts the ability to read formats from MKV to DivX at 1080p resolution. For all of $15,000, you get the best of both worlds, a media player and a 1TB hard disk with glitch-free performance.